Gene Bowdish again, telling you about my study again. See, right now it's at 69, so turn the temperature down to 68. You'll be able to see the fan turn on. Be able to feel the cool air coming in, and the thing that's making the cool air is the blue ice that's down there. This is the battery, the same battery that runs your cell phone. This is a fan, the same voltage that runs on your cell phone. This is a thermostat that you would be able to put in there with your medicine to make sure it's the right temperature, the high and the low. This here is an alarm for like if the cooler in here got too high. Hear the alarm? There it is. If it went too low. If it went too low. I MacGyvered this because I didn't have a thermostat, so I had to make one. See how I used a Dremel tool and crazy glue and some old parts laying around? Well, that's the update. I hope you like it.